Guys, I'm going to show you how to use cruise control on the Tesla Model Y. To engage cruise control, just push the right hand stalk down once and you see the max text appear under the speed. This is an adaptive cruise control system, so it will keep a distance to the driver in front of you. To adjust the distance, you can push this right hand scroll wheel left or right, and you can see that it goes up to 7, which is the max range, and down to 2, which is the smallest range. I kind of prefer to be a bit further away, so I keep it at 7. To disengage cruise control, you can either hit the brake pedal or pull the stalk up once and it will disengage the cruise control. To adjust the speed, you can use the right hand scroll wheel to push down on the scroll wheel, or roll down to reduce the speed, or up to increase the speed. And you can kind of roll like this to jump 5 kilometers per hour or down 5 kilometers per hour. Tesla also has automatic lane keeping, so what Tesla calls that is autopilot auto steer. So to enable that, you push twice down on the right hand stalk and now it will keep you in between the lanes. You still need to touch the wheel from time to time. Under the settings, under autopilot, you have some settings you can configure how the cruise control works. And the best thing about the Tesla cruise control is that all of this comes standard on each Tesla. You don't need to pay anything extra for the cruise control or the adaptive cruise control or the lane keeping functionality. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.